Earth is pulsating every 26 seconds, according to this. I know why the Earth pulsates. It says maybe you can solve this strange seismic mystery. Can you? What do you think? I'm going to actually jump in the chat right now. I'm eager to see what your answers are. I want to see if you're thinking the same thing that I'm thinking. Lex138, what's up, bro? I see you in the chat. Jason Leisure. Chloe says, poor Nemo. Game of Thrones says Justin Thomas. Let's see. Anybody have an idea of why the Earth might be pulsating every 26 seconds, according to this article? I'd like to see your ideas. I know you guys are about 10 seconds behind the live stream. You can always click forward to try to catch up if you feel like you're too far behind. My live streams are almost always about 7 to 10 seconds. You're 7 to 10 seconds behind me. All right, so we got Eddie Knows. What's up, Eddie? Says the Earth is pulsating because it's getting ready to erupt. Damn, you took the words right out of my mouth, Eddie. That's exactly what I was going to say. It's getting ready to give birth. DT Fresh says, Jay, a living heartbeat. Yes, obviously, right? Mother Earth has a pulse, says David Levi. That's why it's pulsating. Matt Crane says the Earth's heartbeat. She's alive, says Amber Roy. You guys are making me smile, man. Yes, everybody's on the breathing, says Janelle. I couldn't agree with you more. The Earth's heartbeat, Java Lang. Everyone, yeah, birthing contractions. That's a good one too. By Myreed Laybourne. What's up, Flatman B? Welcome to my channel. All right, let's move on. So it's very obvious to those of us who know and understand Mother Earth that this is the breath, this is the cycle, this is the heartbeat, this is evidence of the living Earth that we live in and on, because we're alive too. We're a part of the Earth.